Prepositions. Prepositions are words that show relationships such as a point in time, to tell about a direction, or to show where something is. These are just a few prepositions: up, in, before, onto, during, from, since, inside, upon, past, over, beneath, near, above, under, until, towards, through, among, beside, between, by, across, against, around, within, and without. Remember, prepositions are words that show relationships. They discuss point in time. They tell about a direction. They tell where something is. The girl had an apple on her head. Where did the girl have the apple? On her head. So the preposition will be on, and in this particular instance, it is showing where something is. It is on her head. Okay? Now, we have prepositions, and then we have what's called prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases are phrases that have a group of words that begins with the preposition. Okay? So, for example, the boy had a pencil behind his ear. Where did the boy have the pencil? Behind his ear. So if you look here, this would be the prepositional phrase. The preposition is behind. The phrase includes the preposition and the words after it that tell where the boy had the pencil. So again, the boy had a pencil behind his ear. What is the prepositional phrase? Behind his ear. The preposition in this phrase is behind. Okay? So, what you're going to do here in just a moment, you are going to try to identify prepositions and prepositional phrases using the task cards. But watch me first as I go through a few of them with you. Okay, let's take a look at a few examples. Let's look at number 1. Number 1 says, what is the preposition? Okay. We can play games and swim in the pool. Now remember, I said prepositions show relationships such as point in time, when something happened basically. They tell about the direction, or they show where something is. So, what is the preposition in number 1? We can play games and swim in the pool. We can play games and swim where? In. That's where. In the pool. So the preposition would be in. Let's look at number 2. What is the prepositional phrase? Ella put the iPad under her desk. Now, again, prepositional phrases always begin with a preposition, right? A prepositional phrase is a group of words that begin with a preposition. So, the first step is to find the preposition in this sentence. Ella put the iPad where? Under her desk. Where was the iPad? Under her desk. So if I identify the preposition as under, the words that follow that preposition are a part of the phrase. So under her desk will be the prepositional phrase. Let's look at number 3. What is the preposition in this sentence? There will be cake with strawberry icing. There will be cake with strawberry icing. The preposition is with. Number 4. What is the prepositional phrase? I haven't seen snow since last year. Again, when we're looking for the prepositional phrase, the key is to simply find the preposition in the sentence first. So, I haven't seen snow since last year. I haven't seen snow when? Since last year. That will be the prepositional phrase. The preposition is since, and then the words that follow help to make up the entire phrase. Number 5. What is the preposition? In this sentence, the birthday party is from 2 till 5 p.m. Now again, remember, prepositions tell about time, direction, or they show where something is. So this particular instance, we're talking about time. The birthday party is from 2 till 5. So the preposition will be from. Number 6, what is the prepositional phrase? I hope it is warm and sunny on Saturday morning. Again, find the preposition first, and then the words that follow are all a part of the prepositional phrase. So I need to ask myself, when do I hope it is warm and sunny? Well, on Saturday morning. That will be the prepositional phrase. So now what you are going to do, you are going to have an opportunity to practice with numbers 7 through 12. Okay? These are your task cards for 7 through 12. You will be answering these in a text box. So when you're answering them in the text box, I want you to make sure that you number the crayons or number your answers in the text box. Okay? You do not need to retype the entire sentence. If it's asking you for the preposition, for example on number 7, you would just write the number 7 and then next to it, just that one word, the preposition that's in the sentence for number 7. For number 8, you would simply write, or type, I should say, number 8, and then you're going to include the prepositional phrase. When it is a phrase, it's going to begin with the preposition, and then it's going to include all of the words after that. Okay? So when you're looking for the preposition, you're only typing one word. When you're looking for the prepositional phrase, it's going to be more than one word. That's what creates a phrase. Okay? So, again, if you need to go back and look at the video or the recording that I made a little bit earlier to help you practice with these, by all means do that. I have also included on the Canvas course 1 or 2 anchor charts to help you that have lists actually of some of the prepositions that we use. Okay, so again, please make sure that you are using your tools and resources that are included in the Canvas course, and make sure that you are going and you're viewing the Screencast-O-Matic or the YouTube videos that are created to help you. If we have moved on to the very next day, as I've told you before, it is quite all right for you to go back to the day before or earlier in the week if you need to review a video that has already been posted.